Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the basics so nothing blocks notifications. First, update the Instagram app and make sure your device allows notifications and background app refresh. These let pushes arrive. Once done, open Instagram, tap your profile, then Settings and Notifications. You'll see categories like Posts, Stories, and Direct Messages. Turn on the types you want. Do this now before deeper fixes, because if the app or system denies permission, nothing else will restore alerts. Next, fine-tune what triggers alerts so you don't miss what matters. In notifications, pick specific push types like mentions, comments, and messages. Toggles are separate for live and stories. Make sure your phone's Do Not Disturb or Focus mode isn't silencing Instagram. Add Instagram as an allowed app or disable DND during active hours. Also inspect muted accounts, restricted lists, and quiet hours inside Instagram, because those silence notifications for particular people or time windows. Finish by removing lingering app issues that block alerts. Clear Instagram's cache on Android or offload the app on iOS, force close it, then restart your phone. This resets background processes. If notification failures continue, uninstall and reinstall Instagram or log out and back in to refresh your account tokens. If none of that helps, report the problem through Settings right arrow help right arrow report a problem, include screenshots. Troubleshooting tip. Test notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.